absolute faith, an exciting story from Srimad Bhagavatam that strengthens one's faith in God. Narada Muni travels all over the universe singing the glories of Lord Krishna. During one such journey, he was passing through the earth. There, he met a Brahmin priest. The Brahmin was a very proud man. He had just finished his rituals when Narada met him. Namaste, O sage Narada, said the Brahmin. O Brahmin, may your life be successful, the sage responded. Dear Narada, since you are likely to visit Vaikunta, could you please ask Lord Narayana when I would be joining him? Which I am sure would be soon. But I just want to make sure, said the proud priest. A little later, Narada Muni met a cobbler mending shoes on the roadside. Narayana, Narayana, how are you? Asked Narada Muni to the cobbler. All is well, replied the cobbler. But, the cobbler went on, you are so lucky that you can see Lord Narayana whenever you wish. I wonder when I can see him. I surely will ask him when I see him next time, replied the sage. Narada Muni then left for Vaikunta. On meeting Lord Narayana, he told him about the priest and the cobbler. Lord Narayana then said, inform the priest that he will return to me only after 100 lifetimes. But tell the cobbler that he will see me at the end of this lifetime. Narada was surprised at this answer. Narada considered the priest elevated while the cobbler lowly, as the latter made shoes from the skin of the dead animal. Naturally, he expected the priest to be blessed enough to see Lord Narayana soon. Lord Narayana understood Narada's confusion. O Narada, when you meet them again, they will ask you what I was doing when you met me. Tell them that I was threading an elephant through the eye of a needle. Although Narada Muni was confused, he continued his journey. On meeting the Brahmin, the sage said, Lord Narayana says, you will reach Vaikunta only after 100 lifetimes. The Brahmin was shocked. What? 100 lifetimes? I do my daily rituals with so much care and I come from an elevated Brahmin family, and yet you say that I must wait for 100 years? I doubt if you did meet the Lord. And if you did, then tell me what he was doing when you saw him. Narada calmly replied, he was threading an elephant through the eye of a needle. What? How ridiculous! Is it possible to thread a huge elephant through the tiny eye of a needle? I am sure now that you did not see the Lord, that you are making all this up. Narada Muni then met the cobbler and informed him that he would return to Vaikunta after his present life. The cobbler was very happy that he danced in excitement and said, the Lord is so merciful. He is going to let me return to him soon. Turning to Narada Muni, he then eagerly asked, O great sage, what was my Lord doing when you met him? Narada Muni said, he was threading an elephant through the eye of a needle. Oh, how wonderful! The cobbler exclaimed. Sage Narada was surprised. Do you believe that? He asked. The cobbler said, of course I do. Do you see that oak tree? Where do you think it came from? It came from a tiny acorn. If the Lord can put an entire oak tree into a tiny acorn, why can't he thread an elephant through the eye of a needle? When the Lord told Narada what to say to the Brahmin and the cobbler, the sage was confused. But after witnessing the proud Brahmin's response of faithlessness and the cobbler's response of absolute faith, he understood why Lord Narayana had decided to treat the Brahmin and the cobbler differently. Hope you like the story, my friends. Please try to find out the 10 differences in these pictures. You may pause the video while you are attempting the same. See you in my next video, my friends. Thank you. Hare Krishna.